Hi guys, it's me again, Mommy Cheri. Here's another intimate party decoration you can use at your home. You know, every party I style begins with a blank canvas, literally. I opened Canva and started crafting the layout for this Frozen-themed setup with one goal in mind, to make it feel magical, yet simple. Tori's mom had chosen our basic package, which includes a single arch backdrop. So I had to make sure every element stood out, even in its simplicity. She requested something inspired by Elsa. Her daughter Tori absolutely adores her. So I picked a color palette that felt soft and royal at the same time. I combined pastel blue, pastel purple, and pearly white, colors that remind you of snowy skies and shimmering ice. These tones really capture the heart of the Frozen world. Even in the layout, I could already imagine how the balloons would dance in the light at the venue. Once the draft was ready, I sent it to the client for approval. She loved it right away. It was exactly what she pictured: clean, dreamy, and perfect for Tori's special day. As I arranged the design, I made sure to leave room for orb balloons, which always add that touch of elegance. They're like the finishing touch of Elsa's ice magic, subtle, round, and glowing. And just like that, the plan was set in motion, ready to be transformed from digital design into a real-life Frozen moment. As soon as I arrived at the venue, it was time to bring the layout to life. I started with the base structure for the arch, carefully positioning each stand and backdrop panel. I began arranging the balloons, mixing the pastel blue, pastel purple, and pearly white just like in the design. Every step matters. Even the smallest detail plays a part in the final look. That's what I love most about party styling. It's like building a dream one piece at a time. The soft tones blended beautifully, giving that cool and calming Frozen feel. To elevate the look, I added orb balloons. These always add a bit of glam and sparkle, like floating bubbles of Elsa's icy magic. Working quietly behind the scenes, I watched the setup slowly come together through every pop, tie, and twist. And even though it was just a basic package, I always pour in the same love and attention to make every celebration special. By the end of the setup, the backdrop looked like it came straight out of Arendelle. And here it is. The final setup at Kidzuna Grand Venice in McKinley to Gwig. Tori's Frozen-themed celebration turned out absolutely magical, simple, sweet and full of icy charm. Another beautiful memory styled by events by Cheri. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more DIY-inspired theme backdrop decoration. See you again soon.